Imagine this. You wake up early, determined to hit the gym, but then your bed feels too comfortable and you tell yourself, just 5 more minutes. 5 minutes turn into an hour, and before you know it, your day has slipped you. Sound familiar? Now, picture someone else, someone who wakes up, stretches, and gets moving no matter how they feel. They aren't relying on motivation, they have built a system. That's the power of discipline. And it's the reason some people achieve their goals while others keep making excuses. In this video, we're diving deep into why discipline is the single most important skill for success, and how you can train your mind to stay focused, committed, and unstoppable. Let's go. Discipline versus talent. Most successful people in the world, they are not necessarily the smartest or the most gifted. They are the ones who show up every single day, no matter how they feel. The motivation trap. Motivation feels great, but it's unreliable. One day it's high, the next day it's gone. Discipline is what keeps you moving even on the hard days. Your brain on discipline. Research shows that disciplined people aren't just more productive, they're happier and less stressed. Why? Because they're not consistently fighting themselves. They build habits that make success automatic. How to master discipline? The 3 power moves, the no matter what rule. Think of something you need to do daily. Now commit to doing it no matter what. Rain or shine, tired or energized, you do it. This is how habits become non-negotiable. The 5-second rule. Feel resistance. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and take action before your brain talks you out of it. It sounds simple, but it's a game changer. The one less excuse challenge. Every time you catch yourself making an excuse, stop and ask, how can I make this work instead? Train your brain to look for solutions, not escape routes. Discipline isn't about pushing yourself, it's about freedom. The freedom to achieve what you truly want in life. The choice is yours. Keep waiting for motivation or start building the habits that will change everything. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one thing you'll commit to daily, no matter what? Drop it in the comments.